Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Embassy review. In this review, I'll be showing you what Embassy is, and not only that, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses I'm giving away to get you the best possible results with Embassy. Embassy launches on the 5th of April by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So, in a nutshell, this is a done for you system and it's cloud based, and this basically allows you to put together other people's content in a membership website. This is going to be your own web membership setup, and then you can actually monetize this setup. And there are so many ways you would be able to monetize this setup. So this does not involve creating your own content, which is actually the most difficult part for the majority of people, especially newbies. So this is the cloud-based app. This is what it looks like. If you go to the dashboard, it actually shows you welcome video, and also if you go to tutorials, you're going to find the training videos. So these are the training videos that actually show you how to create campaigns, how to set up everything, and how to just use the cloud-based software. So this allows you to monetize your own membership site in different ways. You get access to products, you'll be able to add your affiliate links, and also you'll be able to set up this website in just a few clicks. We are going to go over this in a short while, but right now I'm going to be revealing the custom bonuses you are going to be getting from me in addition to Embassy, and it also comes with done for you free traffic. So this is basically a complete solution for newbies to start bringing in some commissions on autopilot. So the first bonus I'm actually giving away is a cloud-based software that allows you to build your list. What the majority of super affiliates do is they ultimately build their own affiliate marketing list. The larger the list, the more money you can actually make when it comes to affiliate marketing. So this first bonus gives you access to a cloud-based software that allows you to paste your affiliate link and then create custom squeeze pages in just a click. You are not going to be paying any monthly fees as in the case of ClickFunnels and other monthly subscription page builders, because you are actually going to be getting access to templates you can actually pick from and use to create your own squeeze pages. And not only that, you'll be able to collect your leads into the cloud-based software, or you can actually collect your leads to your autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse. So this cloud-based software, you're going to be getting free access to this, and you can actually use this to promote any affiliate offer. Also, bonus number 2, you'll be getting access to another cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Instagram. And this works in any niche. It allows you to connect multiple Instagram accounts. All you need to do is add your affiliate links or links to your blog or your sites in the bio of this Instagram account. You don't need to have any followers on this Instagram account. And then this allows you to set up everything also on autopilot. You'll be able to automatically repost viral content from other Instagram users, copy trending hashtags, and basically drive a ton of traffic from Instagram on autopilot. Also, bonus number 3, you'll be getting access to a training where I am actually going to be showing you how I make upwards of $100 per day with affiliate marketing using free traffic. You are also going to be getting white label rights to this, meaning you can also give this away to build your own list. Also, bonus number 4, you'll be getting access to a WordPress plugin that basically allows you to track your links, and also this serves as a rotator. One software that actually does that is ClickMagick, and this basically allows you to do exactly what ClickMagick does without you having to pay any monthly fee. So this is a WordPress plugin, and what that means is you actually need to have a WordPress website in order to be able to use this one. And also you are going to be able to get all the vendor bonuses also that the vendor is giving to me to give to you to get the best out of Embassy. And all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this page. If you click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, it's going to take you to the sales page of Embassy, where you are going to be able to pick up Embassy and where you'll be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So here it says next gen app for smart automation in 2021, fully automated, 100% done for you affiliate system with built-in free buyer traffic, the most powerful traffic app and brand new for April 2021. So come check out the video presentation. Also come check out full information here on this sales page. You are also going to find proof of results right here on this sales page from the vendor. So come check this out in your own time to get full information about Embassy. So I'm just going to take you to the dashboard right now. Let's go to video URLs. So what this does is it allows you to pull videos from YouTube. You can literally just go to YouTube, go and copy the URL to a video you like, and then you can actually come here, click on add new. First, you're going to find the previously added URLs, the previously added videos right here, but you can easily just come here, click on add new, and then you can come and add the video name and then the video URL here. And when you add the video URL, it actually populates the video thumbnail for you. And also now you can actually say where you are actually adding this. So you are going to get a collection of URLs, and this can actually be your own. You can actually create this category, this collection, and then you can actually add similar videos in the same niche to this particular URL collection. So here all you need to do is select which collection you want to add the video to. Once you select the collection you want to add this to, you have the name of the video, you have the URL, then you can actually come here and click on create now. And then this is going to be added to the list. And also if you want to create a new collection, you can actually go to manage video collection, and then you can click on create new, and then you can actually give this collection a name. Let's say make money online, and then you can also just copy the title here. This is the description of the video, and then you can click on create new, so that any video that actually belongs to this collection, you can go and add them by picking their URLs from YouTube and then adding them to this collection. And once you have a collection, then you can come to campaigns. Now from campaigns, you'll be able to set up your own website, and once you are done with your own website, you're actually going to get something like this. Based on your setup, you're going to get a website like this where people can actually register when they click on get started for free here, and they put in their email addresses if they have, and if they don't have, they can actually register and then log in. And once they log in, they are going to be getting access to your members area, which they are going to have videos actually populated here. Let's just go back to one of the campaigns that I've actually previously created. All we need to do is, if you want to create a new one, simply click on create new. But let's just go ahead and edit this one that I've previously created. Now you'll be able to add a campaign title, campaign name, select the theme color, and also add your campaign description, and then the collection of video. This is where you select the collection based on the videos you've added to that particular collection. So this particular one, let's say we want the videos in Make Money Online. Under this collection, the videos here, we want those videos to show up in our members area. So this is where we actually select the collection we want, and then you can actually populate every other URL here. These are going to be links. This can actually be your affiliate link, or this can be another video URL. This can also be your affiliate link actually. And then all you need to do is save changes, and then we can actually come back here to come and refresh this. And then you can see that based on our setting, all the videos in that collection are actually populated right here. You can go to any of those videos by clicking any of these tabs. It actually shows you the videos. And also, if you click here, it actually takes you to the affiliate link that you've actually set up in the members area. So that's how easy it is to set up your own membership website. And basically, all these can be your own affiliate link. You can add your own custom image here, and you can basically customize this, change the colors, change the theme, and make this look exactly the way you want. And then also in the members area, you have access to free traffic. You have access to free traffic training also that shows you some of the best ways to actually drive free traffic to your campaign. So that's how easy it is to use Embassy, and that's how easy it is to create your own profitable campaigns with the cloud-based software. And then now to the pricing. The front end that gives you access to the dashboard and all the features goes for a one-time fee of $17. And also the first optional upgrade is the unlimited version that goes for $67. You can decline and pick that up for $37. The second OTO is 100% done for you, that goes for $97. You'll be able to decline and pick that up for $47. The third optional upgrade is the unlimited traffic version that goes for $97. You can decline that and pick it up for $47. The fourth optional upgrade is the automation version that goes for $67. You can decline that and pick it up for $37. The fifth one is the ATM version that goes for $197. You can decline and pick it up for $47. The sixth is the ultimate version that goes for $197, which you'll be able to decline and pick it up for $47. And then the final upgrade is the license rights that goes for $67. You'll be able to decline that and pick it up for $37. So that's going to be my review for Embassy. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.